Good evening, guys. Am I audible? Am I audible, guys? Yeah. So, allow me 5 minutes. Once everyone joined in, we are going to start. So let's wait for 3, 4 minutes. No.
Hello, hello, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am. You are audible now.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible now?
No, no, sir. Your
Hello.
voice breaking.
Am I audible?
Hello.
Okay. Okay. Give me 1 minute. No, ma'am. Okay. Kiran, is it fine now?
Yes, yes. Now fine.
Okay. So, guys, in last session, let's start. In last session, we have seen something about the LangChain. Okay. So, what is the LangChain? We have already discussed that LangChain is a framework that is help to build application using LLM. Okay. And we can use this by using the prompt, models, data, and tools. Okay. So, in short, we can say that LangChain it's a bridge that connects a
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello.
hello. Yeah, there I so it more problem. Still, you're not no, you're not able to hear. Guys, is it a big issue? Hello, are you audible? Am I audible?
Hello, sir. You are not audible.
Is
Hello.
it fine? Yes.
Hello, sir.
Hello, okay, sir. I'm not audible.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, you are audible.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, Kiran ma'am. तुमचा आवाज येतोय मला.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, in last section we have seen what is a lang chain. Yes. Am I audible now? Kiran ma'am, could you please go on mute? Okay. Yeah, that is a echo happening because of Kiran. Okay. Now I think it's okay. Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. So guys, in last session we have seen LangChain, and LangChain is a framework that we can build applications by using LLM. Okay, by connecting the prompts, model, data, and tools. Yes. Please put up thumb if you are audible properly. Guys, please acknowledge. Hello. I hope my voice is getting. No, still is it's having a problem. Same problem. Huh? Okay. Guys, try to understand this is a network issue. Okay.
Sorry, but let's see. Okay, too much echo. No, right now also you are getting a echo. Okay, no, no. But are you able to? Okay, yes, yes, good. Okay, thanks, Abdul. So now LangChain we have seen already. Okay, and what is the chain? Thanks, Ankit. Okay, what is a chain? So chain is a sequence of steps. Okay, means we have seen that out of first step, output of the first step is the input for the second step. Yes. So we have already seen that. I am not sharing my screen. Yeah. Thanks, Puneet. So now let's see about uh, about some next article, that the types of agent. Now, when you say, yesterday in last session, if you remember, we have seen about the agents. Okay, that they will decide what to do the next. Okay, means if you giving a chain that this is the steps, after the first step you need to do second step, after second step you need to do third step. But the agent, what they will do, they will decide what to do. Okay, so they are simply follow, instead of following the chain, they are taking a decision. Okay, they are taking a decision what to do and what to not do. Okay, so it means they are a decision makers here. Okay, they having a more value other than the chains. So chain agents, chain, it is a fixed flow, but agent is they are taking a dynamic decisions. Okay, so just example, I'm taking one example. Suppose if you are asking to LLM that what is the today's weather in Pune, and now if you say, after getting a weather, now you need to convert that temperature into Fahrenheit. Okay. Now when you say, so now what agent will do? Agent will understand the task. Okay. I'm not sharing my screen. First, this is a theory part, guys. I'm saying, I'm just giving you example that how the agent is working, okay, in real time. So agent will, when you say to the LLM that what is the today's weather, okay, what is the today's weather in Pune, and whatever the temperature currently in the Pune, please convert it into the Fahrenheit. Okay, that is a right, Fahrenheit, that is a measurement for the temperature. So what agent will do here? So agent will simply, they will understand the task. They will understand the task, and then they will decide, either they need to call to the API, or they need to means what they will do, they will call to the API, then they will connect it to the weather websites. Okay, and then whatever the from the website they will collect the data, and then from the according to data they will whatever the temperature, whatever the data they will get, then that after that they will convert it into the temperature. Understood now? So in this way this will work. Okay, so now what are the types of agent? So types of agents are, there are two types of agent: zero shot agent and react agent. Okay, what is meant by zero shot agent? Zero shot agent means it decides without example. Means if you not provide any type of example, though they can decide that what to do and what should not do. Okay, after that, react means what? Means it is simply response plus act. React. Okay, response, re means response, and act means acting. Means after getting a response, how they need to act. So it will think and then act step by step. Okay, so that is a react agent. Now, how the agent flow? Agent flow, it is simply, they will get a user input. Then after getting a user input, LLM will decide. Okay, after LLM will decide, they will select the tools. Means in short, in the agent, we need to create multiple tools, guys. Okay, In that, we need to select that which tool they need to. So agent will automatically, dynamically, they will select which tool they need to select. Okay. Once they will select, and then they will start to execute. Then after that, they will repeat this task, and then they will give you final answer. It means it is a just flow. I'm telling you. So how the flow? So first it will take a input, then LLM will decide. Then after decision, they will select the tools. Okay. And after getting a tools, they will simply execute, and then they will repeat, and they will give you final answer. Yes. So this is the React agent. Guys, I'm not sharing any screen. This is a theoretical lecture. Whenever will required, I'm going to share my screen and I will show you. Okay. But we need to understand what are the types of agents, what is meant by zero shot agent, what is a React agent. Then this is the component of the LangChain. Okay. In last session, we have just seen about the basic concept. Okay. What happened in last session? We have seen what is a LangChain. Okay. How it will work. But today we will see after the LangChain. Okay. After the change, there is a one another part which is very, very important. That is agent. Okay. Agent. Now, the very important part is memory. What is a memory? So there is a in LangChain we have removed, means there we have a problem in LLM. What is the problem, guys? In problem means not right now, but if you see earlier model before our chat GPT, if you put down some prompt to LLM, they will response you. But after the second prompt, when you send a second prompt, they will simply forget whatever you have sent earlier. Okay. Guys, usual, I'm not sharing any screen right now. Whenever I'll require, I will share my screen. Just try to understand what I'm saying. I'm saying the memory initial earlier, there is a memory issue with the LLM. Okay. Now, what is the memory issue? Means whenever, suppose you have put down multiple prompts. Okay. First time you have asking some different question to LLM. Second time, you are asking any another prompt to LLM. But after putting a second prompt, LLM simply forgot what is your first prompt. Okay, so they are not whatever the information, whatever the prompts you have put down in the LLM, they are simply forgot. Okay, and this is the problem with earlier chat GPT. But nowadays they have improved a lot, and now your memory issues has been removed. Now if you put down any chat GPT, if you ask some questions, and after second question if you ask them what is the purpose, or some prompts if you put down, and if you want to take a reference from your first prompt, 101% they will take a reference. So memory issues right now we have resolved in a new one. So now there are certain types of memory in LangChain. So buffer memory is there, summary memory is there, vector memory is there. What is a buffer memory? Buffer memory means it is simply stores the full conversation. Okay, means in LangChain. Okay, in LangChain, let me share my screen. My screen is visible now. Guys, my screen is visible now. Kiran, my screen is visible now. Yeah. Thanks, Ashwini. Now let's do that. Suppose I'm opening my paint. Actually, in my area there is some network issue, so sorry for that. But my am I audible now? My screen is visible, everyone. Please put up a thumb if it is. Kiran ma'am, are you able to hear my voice properly? No, yes means yes or no. Okay, okay, okay. Now, are you able to see my screen? Paint screen, are you able to see? Paint, are you able to see my screen, guys? Yes, no? Okay, thank you, thank you. So now, let's do that. So I'm saying earlier there is a issue with memory, okay? This is a part for the memory. So what is the problem here in the memory? So memory, it is simply in the memory, they are forgot. If you put down multiple prompt, right? Like first prompt, second prompt, third prompt, fourth prompt. Now, if you ask, please take a reference. Suppose in this fourth prompt, if you say, take a reference from first and then I want answers. So they will not. Initially, whenever the LLM was launched, this is the bigger issue with the memory. This is the bigger issue. Okay. But nowadays, they have resolved it. Okay. They have resolved it. Understood now, guys? What I'm saying? Now understood? Yes. Guys, please put up thumb because I know there is some network issue, but try to understand. Please help me for today. Don't worry. From next section, I will take care. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Sorry for that, but to be honest, it is not in my hand. It is a network issue, guys. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. We will go for the next one. And now, what are the types of memory? Okay. What are the types of memory? Let's do that. It's a big one. Let me do smaller. What are the types of memory? Okay. Now, there are certain types of memory. First one is a buffer memory. Second one, summary memory. Third one, vector memory. Okay. And then these are the types of some memory. Now, what is a buffer memory? Buffer memory, it is what they will do. It is simply store full conversation. Okay. It is simply stores all the conversation, guys. In summary memory, it is simply saves only tokens. Saves only tokens. Yes. In vector memory, they are stores conversation in the embedding. Okay. What they will do? Stores conversation in embedding. Okay. So these are the types of memory. So what buffer memory will do? It will store all the conversation in summary. You can say it will stores only summarized version, or we can say it is saves tokens only. Vector, they will store embedding. Whatever the conversations you are doing, they will store the conversation in the embedding format. Okay, clear now? Guys, any doubt in memorizations? Okay, everyone? Yes, please put up thumb. Are you understood the memory part? Okay. Now, thank you very much. Now we will see the next part, which is the tools integration. Now, how we can integrate the LangChain? Tools integration. What is in by tools integration? Tools are the external systems of LLM can use. Now, what are the tools they can use? The first one is the API, application programming interface. Yes, API. This is your first one. Second one is database. Third one is a Python code. And fourth one is a search engine. Okay. These are some tools we need to integrate with the LLM. Okay. So these are basically tools we need to, these are the external systems or tools we can say we need to integrate with the LLM. Now, why these tools are required? Because LLM cannot access the real-time data. So why we require the tools? Why we required tools? So LLM cannot access real-time data. Second, cannot calculate accurately, cannot calculate accurately. And third one, cannot access database. Okay, these are the reason, and because of that we require tool. What is meant by tool? So tools what they will do? So when you say LangChain, so tool is the one of the part in the LangChain, and we need to create the tools. Why we require the tool? So we cannot access the real-time data without tools. Okay, in LangChain we need to develop the tools, we need to design the tools. Without tool, your framework or your application will not access the real-time data. So for that you need to design tools. How to design we will see later on, but right now just keep in mind that in LangChain you need to design tools. Okay, so why we required, what are the reason for that? So we cannot access the real-time data, then you cannot calculate the data accurately also. Okay, you can access your DB database also. So because of that, you will require the tools. So okay. So now, in short, if you what are the important parts in LangChain, so let us discuss in uh, short. Sorry, I think I was disconnected. My screen is visible now again. My screen is visible now? Everyone? Yeah, thank you. I don't know what is the problem today. Okay, okay, let's do that. Chain. What is a chain? It is a simply fixed sequence of steps. Okay, I am taking a summary, whatever we have seen in LangChain. Okay, so in LangChain, we have seen the chains. What's the chain? Chain is a fixed sequence of steps. Why we required? Used for predictable workflows. Okay, this is your chain. Now then we have seen agent also. Why we required agent? For dynamic decision making. Okay, we required agent for the dynamic decision making. Then it is simply whatever the tools we have using, they will choose the tool and they will take a decision. So this is the main reason with the agent. After agent, we have seen memory. So memory, we have seen buffer memory and other types of memory. Why we require memory? To store past interaction. In a tools in the LangChain, we can design the tools and that we will see in the depth at the time of our regular sessions. Okay. Uh, okay, that's fine, guys. Now, today I want to discuss something important that our today we have discussed the LangChain. Now there is a new uh, they have developed, that is a lang graph. Okay, so lang graph, it is a built on the top of LangChain. It is a more advanced. Okay, it is a more advanced than LangChain. Actually, okay, now it's clear. Hello. Now it's clear, guys. There is some network issue. Sorry for that. Okay. So in the lang graph, it is the advanced version of LangChain. Okay. It is the advanced version of lang graph, and we will see in the detail about the lang graph also. LangChain, we have seen only theoretical part, but actually when you develop the LangChain project, it is very, very interesting. It is very easy to design the tool. It is very important how to design the agent and how then the agent will decide which tool need to use. All these are very interesting, guys. Okay. So it means when you try to design some Python code for the design of the LangChain project, you will get more interest. Right now we have seen only theoretical part, that what is a memory, what is a tool, what is a LangChain. We are trying to get only some of the basic part of the LangChain. But when you design the LangChain project, you will get very, very interesting. This is very interesting, guys. Trust me. I'm not sharing my screen. Just try to understand what I am saying. So LangChain, what it will do, whatever the theoretical part I have written right now, I have placed in front of you. When we design the LangChain project in front of you, you will get more interest. Why? because whatever we have taken interaction from last half an hour, you will realize that whatever each and single word, each and every word, you will get realize that this word we are using in real time project. Okay, so this is all about the LangChain. LangGraph is a most advanced version of the LangChain, but that we will see the later on. Now today I want to announce you very important thing, that we are going to start our new AI batch, new Gen AI and data science batch from first week of May. Okay, so yes, so guys, I'm saying that we are going to start our new batch by first week of May. Okay, you can start contact your admin team, and definitely whatever we have seen in the theoretical part, or whatever the part we have covered, that is only 20%, guys. To be honest, when you sit my in real time batch in means regular sessions, you will realize that Python code and other whatever the machine learning algorithms, AI, Gen AI, how to design the LangChain project, how to design the your LangGraph project, RAG, that is retrieval augmented generation, then fine tuning. All these concepts we are going to take in our projects. We will also develop all these things in the thoroughly, okay, in our regular session. So please contact our admin team. Okay, so our next batch in data science and AI batch is going to start from the first May, first week of the May. Okay, so uh, this is give me 1 minute only. One minute, guys. Only 1 minute. Huh? I'm here only. Okay. So our new batch going to start from first week of the May, and definitely whatever we are discussing in last 10 to 12 days, these all things are only 10 to 12% of the syllabus. Okay, if you see, originally it is a huge part of the AI. We have not taken all the part, but we have tried to cover as much as possible. And also these sessions will be continue for next week also. Okay, so today we are going to wrap up our session early as I have some network issues, but definitely next time we'll take care, guys. I'm really sorry and apologize for that. But yes, so please contact your admin team. Our data science and AI batch is going to start from the first week of the May. So sorry for today. I'm going to wrap up early. Attendance link I have shared in the chat box. Please fill it. Yeah. And if you have any doubts, please put up in chat box. I will try to cover as much as possible. But today is a network issues at my end. I'm sorry for that. Okay, guys, please fill your attendance form. Please. Yes. So, thank you very much. Okay. I'm going to disconnect. Kiran ma'am, hands, please take it on. Thank you very much.